Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a very practical topic in reinforced concrete design, figuring out the minimum diameter and maximum spacing for column links or stirrups. We will be doing a hands-on comparison using three major design standards: Eurocode 2 and old British standard BS 8110 and the Indian standard IS 456. For our example, we have a concrete column with these properties. Column size 350 by 350 mm. Main reinforcement 8 bars of 16 mm diameter, 8 by 16. Our job is to figure out the transverse reinforcement or the links for this column. Eurocode 2, minimum link diameter. The code requires a minimum diameter of 6 mm. It also requires the diameter to be at least 1/4 of the maximum longitudinal bar diameter. Our main bar is 16 mm, so 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 mm. The larger value is 6 mm. So according to Eurocode 2, the minimum link diameter is 6 mm. Maximum link spacing according to the Eurocode 2. The minimum of three values. Number 1, 20 times the minimum longitudinal bar diameter. For main bar is 16 mm, so 16 into 20 is equal to 320 mm. Second, lesser dimension of the column. Our column is square, so lesser dimension is 350 mm. Number 3, 400 mm. Comparing 320, 350 and 400, the smallest is 320 mm. So Eurocode 2 gives us the maximum link spacing 320 mm. The next code is British standard BS 8110. Minimum link diameter. This code has the same rule as Eurocode 2. At least 6 mm and at least 1/4 of the maximum longitudinal bar diameter. For our 16 mm bar, we already found 16 divided by 4 is 4 mm. Since 16 mm is larger, minimum link diameter is 6 mm. Next, maximum link spacing according to the British standard. BS 8110 has a slightly different formula for maximum spacing. We take smaller of the two values. Number 1, 12 times the minimum longitudinal bar diameter. 12 into 16 is 192 mm. Number 2, smaller dimension of the column is this is 350 mm. Minimum value is 192 mm. That is maximum link spacing according to the British standard 192 mm. But this code is superseded by Eurocode 2 now. Next, Indian code IS 456. Minimum bar diameter. This rule is also consistent with the others, at least 6 mm and at least 1/4 of the largest longitudinal bar diameter. 16 divided by 4 mm. The minimum link diameter is 6 mm. Next one, maximum link spacing according to the Indian standard. IS 456 uses 3 criteria and we must take the least of them. Number 1, least lateral dimension of the column. This is 350 mm. Number 2, 16 times the minimum diameter of the longitudinal bar. 16 into 16, 256 millimeter. Number 3, 300 millimeter. The smaller of these three values is 256 millimeter. So maximum tie spacing according to the Indian standard is 256 millimeter. The summary is, according to the Eurocode 2, minimum link diameter 6 mm, maximum link spacing 320 millimeter. According to the British standard BS 8110, minimum link diameter 6 mm, maximum link spacing 192 millimeter. According to the IS 456, minimum link diameter 6 mm, maximum link spacing 256 millimeter. Thank you very much.